RAM prices have increased exponentially since last month. Prices have increased 200% to 300% across the globe. Now, the reason behind it is the exponential increase in the use of AI. So, AI companies are trying to make their AI model as fast as possible by making AI server even more capable. But how does it impact RAM supply? AI server are consist of many different parts like CPU, GPU, RAM. But server doesn't require RAM in sense of DDR5, but HBM. HBM is also like RAM but much faster. HBM is about 20 times as fast as regular DDR5. Rule of HBM is to store AI models and give GPU required data as soon as possible. Machine used for creating buffers for DDR5 RAMs are being repurposed for making buffer for HBM. Due to high profit margin from selling HBM, companies like Samsung and SK Hynix are focusing HBM and are ignoring manufacturing of DDR5 RAMs. Now, basic principle of market is supply less, demand more, result in prices high. Now GPU compute is already fast enough. Modern AI GPUs have insane compute power. Issue is GPU can process data faster than memory can supply. That's why pressure is concentrated on production of more HBM. Also, AI models are exploding in size. So prices of RAMs are not going down, not in foreseeable future at least.